Okay, day 2 of accounting. Today you're going to do the new to Canvas orientation just for review. And it really talks about how you can change your settings in Canvas to make your experience a little better. All right, so that's this new to Canvas module right here. So you just click on it and it's going to take you in. It's got video, read through, scan the content. It tells you how you can do your Android or your tablet, whatever. All right, so work through the module. There's a quick little survey here, easy 10 points. All right, to get that done. And then Canvas Code of Conduct, and this is a general code of conduct when using things online, so make sure you review this information. And then that completes the module for tomorrow. So tomorrow, so Tuesday and Wednesday are pretty quick, just kind of instructional stuff, just stuff to get out of the way. And then we will start into some accounting on on Thursday. Now, for Thursday's module, you can access it either in modules or everything is right here. Sorry, throughout the year, everything's going to be right here. So Thursday is going to be, let's get started. Now this module, when I open it up, is going to start like this, a little background, talks about how you complete the module, what it's going to take to get through it. But if I look in the module itself, if you open modules this way, it gets a little overwhelming. So if we look at that module, it has all the stuff. Okay. Now there's a couple quizzes, and then here's module 2. It has a lot of stuff. Right, so you're not going to do everything in one day. Okay. This one, this one has, let's see, 1, 2, 3 mini quizzes and an overall module quiz. So you're going to read through, watch videos. It's set up in multiple different ways to watch a video, or you can go through the PowerPoints and then answer a 5-point quiz. So this one right here says due August 13th. So this is Thursday's assignment, which is due by Friday. It's a 5-point quiz. So you do the study part, and then you take the quiz, and that's your Friday, or your Thursday. So on Friday, you're going to do the study part, and you're going to have a quiz. And you're going to do that, and that's due by midnight on Sunday. And then on Monday, we would start here with the study part, and I'll go in and change some of these dates to try and clarify it. We can talk about it in the meeting on Wednesday. And then you'll have a quiz on Monday. And then this is basically, this total module is a test. So you have to get a 4 out of 5 on these little mini quizzes to move on. And on this big quiz, you got to get at least 8 out of 10 to move on to finish with module 1. And we'll work through these. And we'll have Zoom meetings on Mondays and Wednesdays. From 8 to 8:30, 8 to 8:30 time, you have to do at least one of them per week for a discussion grade, and that will go in your grade book as well. So make sure you attend those Zoom meetings. Try to get in, sign in 5 minutes early so we can get started, and make sure you're taking advantage of the time that we have. And then if we have more other issues, we can schedule time later in the week to where you can get in here individually or in a small group, and we can work on our topics. Okay, so make sure you're working through the modules. Do the attendance quiz for every day. So this is going to be one module, and it will lock after the attendance quiz for that day, and this one will not open until the next day. So don't work ahead. I'm gonna adjust these times so we can all stay on the same pace and we can work through this together. All right, have a great Wednesday, and look forward to starting module 1 on Thursday.